It's PokeGus slash Gustavo, and we're back with another video. Today we're going to be opening up these two Pokemon Go Pokeballs. This one's a normal ball, and I forgot the name of this one, but it's really cool. I really like the blue on it. So yeah, let's get started. Let's go ahead and open the normal one first, and then we'll get into the blue one next. By the way, these are really cool. It comes with 3 Pokemon Go booster packs each and 2 sticker things. I don't know what they are. Oh, that opens up really easy. Oh yeah, so here are the stickers that I was talking about. You gotta zap those. That actually looks really nice. And a Larvitar too. And here are the codes for you guys. There it is. Alright, let's go ahead and open our first pack up. Let's see what we got. Sometimes packs are just so hard to open, but sometimes they're so easy to open. Like, some are sealed better than others. But I like the ones that are open, are easy to open up. Alright, so there's the code card for you guys. There. Alright. 1. Whoa, what is that? Look at that. Dude, what is that whitening on that? 2, 3, and 4. Right. I'm lucky it's not the card in the back. I think it's gonna be a hollow because I don't see anything. Yep. Alright, so we've got a Psychic Energy, a Blanche, alright. Nope. Just skipped a lot of cards. That's Delix. Brawn. We got a Ward Turtle. We got a Tranquil. Alright. Got a Charmander, an Eevee, a Natu, an Ambipom, a Wimpod, and a Metal Hollow. I actually don't have this, so I will be adding it to my Pokemon collection. So I actually have never got this Metal Hollow. So let's go ahead and put that over there. Go ahead and put all these in here. Alright, let's go ahead and open up the second pack. It's another hard one to open, guys. Yep, definitely is. It's even harder than the last time. Okay. Oh my. Dude, I can't open this. Oh. Okay. Go ahead and put that to the side. So there's the code card for you guys. There it is. 4. Okay. So you got a Fighting Energy, a Slowbro, Lunatone, okay. Got an Ivysaur, a Larvitar, there. A Lone Eradicate, alright. A Lone Rattata, a Spinarak, a Pikachu, a Golisopod, and a Lapras Hollow. We didn't get anything from that pack, but it's alright. Open up the next pack, and there's the code card for you guys again. So after this pack, we're moving on to the second Pokemon Go Pokeball. Yeah, this one was an easy one to open up. Go ahead and open up that. Open that up, I mean. So there's a code card for you guys. So 1, dude, I'm messing everything up. 2, 3, 4. Got a Metal Energy, Lure Model, Charmeleon, got a Pikachu, Charmander to go with the Charmeleon, an Eevee, a Numel, yep, Numel, a Lauren Rattata, got a Tranquil, Pikachu Reverse, and a Blastoise Hollow. I also do not have the Blastoise Hollow, so I'll also be adding that to my collection. So yeah, let's move on to the second Pokeball, which is the blue one. Forgot the name of this type of Pokeball, but doesn't matter. Let's just go ahead and crack this open. I really like the plastic that they put on, like the Pokemon trading card game logo and the Pokemon Go logo together. They just look so nice. Plastic, plastic, plastic. Why you always have to be so plastic and hard to open. What just happened? Alright, well, ooh, this time we got a Mewtwo, and an Apon, I think that's an Apon. Go ahead and put those to the side. Here's all the codes for you guys. There. Alright, let's get going with our first pack. We haven't pulled anything better than a holo, obviously, because, well, not obviously, but this set in Pokemon Go, you get holos or better. So holos is like the lowest rank, and I can't open this pack up. I don't know why. Alright, there we go. I almost got it. Come on. Don't be like that. Okay, there it is. There's a code card for you guys. 1, 2, 3, and 4. One of the cards is a bit damaged. Has a bit of lightning. Alright, we got a lightning energy. Nope. We got Camera, got Steelix, Candela, Squirtle, Bidoof, got an Onix, a Barrel, a Meltan, Squirtle, and a Charizard Hollow. I do have the Charizard Hollow, but yeah, alright. Not too bad, not too bad. Charizard Hollow is, I think it's the second best hollow in the set. The best hollow is obviously the Ditto hollow in disguise as either Bidoof, Spinarak, or Numel. I got the Numel one once, but it's really damaged for some reason. I don't know why. But code card for you guys. There it is. For you guys to scan and redeem. So that's 1. That's 2, that's 3, and that's 4. Alright, let's get going. After this one, it's our last pack after this one. I'm just going to review the good cards. Oh, we got an Articuno Hollow. I don't have this, actually. I don't have the Zapdos either. But yeah, let's just go through this one. We got Fighting Energy, Camera Up, we got Blanche, Unfazant, that's a really weird name because I never know how to say that. We got Pikachu, got Squirtle, got a Spinarak, got a Wimpod, a Larvitar, Spinarak. Oh, I thought that was a Ditto, but it isn't a Ditto. That was a Ditto, but okay, it's alright. We got the Articuno Hollow though. I don't have it. I don't have that in my binder, my Pokemon Go binder yet. If you guys don't know, I'm trying to complete the Pokemon Go set, and so far I'm doing pretty well. and this is hard to open. Dude, actually this one I can't open. I can't open this one. There we go, we got a little tiny thing on it. Come on. There we go, finally. Oh my god, I just revealed the whole thing. Alright. Wow, guys, this is such an off-centered code card. Look at left and right. Alright, so there's the code card for you guys. Redeem. So, I'm just gonna go through this one. We got a Numel. Got a Bulbasaur. Got an Onyx. Got a Barrel. Slowpoke. A Bulbasaur and a Galactopod Hollow. And then here are the other cards. We got Leaf Energy, Solrock, Roar Model, and a Charmeleon. Alright. So I didn't get anything like really good better than a Hollow. But I did get some. I got 2 cards to add to my Pokemon Go collection. So yeah, that's 2 cards less for me to get. I still need a lot more, but I'll get it sometime soon. But yeah, I really like these Pokeballs. Like, you can, like, look at that. That just looks so cool. You can put that in like a collection or like anywhere in your house. It'll look really cool. If I can close this and show it to you guys, that would be good. Alright, there you go. So, yeah, we did get the 2 Pokeballs, but we didn't get anything really good from the packs, but that's okay. So, yeah, there it is. I'm really happy with these because these look really nice. So, yeah, that's it. It was pretty nice, but unfortunately, I didn't get anything good. But next time I'll get some good stuff, alright? See you guys in the next video. Bye. Peace.